Hello my dear students, third prep, second term ونطق كلمات lessons 5 and 6 unit 9. مقابلة شخصية interview. محطة توليد طاقة شمسية solar farm. يقاطع الكلام interrupt. محطة توليد الطاقة power station. منطقة region. التصحر desertification. جفاف drought. يصنع أو يبدع create. الأرض الزراعية farmland. يخطط أو خطة plan والماضي planned. يقرر decided. فكرة idea. التل hill. مراسل صحفي reporter. البترول oil. إذن أو تصريح permission. مشهور popular. بصفة شخصية أو شخصيا personally. مصدر source. directions الجهات الأصلية أو الاتجاهات. شمال north. جنوب south. شرق east. غرب west. سبب reason. تقرير report. يحسن أو يطور improved. مزرعة بنبان للطاقة الشمسية في أسوان بنبان solar park. يحدث happen والماضي happened. يحرث أو يعمل بالزراعة farmed. منظر طبيعي landscape. الصحراء الكبرى Sahara Desert. خاص أو مميز special. منطقة الساحل ساحل region. المملكة المتحدة UK أو United Kingdom. دبي. أسوان Sudan. South Sudan. يبقى دولة جنوب السودان South Sudan. Conjugation of irregular verbs. يلمع أو يضيء shine. يسمع hear. heard. يبني أو يشيد built. ينسى forgotten. collocations متلازمات لفظية. يولد الكهرباء give electricity. يوفر فرص عمل give jobs. يوجد فرص عمل create jobs. يسبب مشاكل create problems. يسبب حريقا cause fire. يسبب تلوثا cause pollution. يجري دراسة استطلاعية do a survey. Study these definitions. تعريفات هامة. create make or produce. Desertification when an area becomes a desert. منطقة region an area of a country. Initiative something to improve a difficult situation. Solar farm an area with many solar panels that provides electricity. Listening and reading. Reporter: So, Mrs. Jones, tell us why your community decided to build a solar park on this farmland. This area is popular for tourism, and people come here to enjoy the countryside and the beautiful views of trees and hills. Many people would say the solar park is ugly. They don't want to see lots and lots of ugly solar panels in the country. Mrs. Jones: I don't agree. Personally, I think that the solar panels are beautiful. We need to create clean energy that doesn't pollute the environment. Solar panels produce clean, renewable energy. In my opinion, we need to stop burning fossil fuels, which create greenhouse gases and cause climate change. Reporter: What do you think about the solar park, Mr. Brown? Do you agree with Mrs. Jones? Mr. Brown: I agree that we need clean, renewable energy, but I don't agree that we should build solar parks in the countryside. We should build them in cities near factories. And I don't agree that they are beautiful. They are ugly and they destroy the countryside. Farmers need this land. In my opinion, every community should have their own source of energy. Reporter: Well, thank you both for talking to us today. Now it's time to go back to the studio. Another conversation. Dalida and Nisma. Dalida: What do you think of this plan to build wind turbines in the sea near the beach? Nisma: Personally, I think it's a good idea. Wind turbines produce renewable energy. Dalida: I agree that we need renewable energy, but I think the wind turbines should be built on the land. Nisma: I don't agree that they should be built on the land. There is more wind at sea. Dalida: Yes, but don't forget many tourists love our beaches. They don't want to look at ugly wind turbines. Nisma: I totally disagree. In my opinion, wind turbines look nice and they want to be very near the beach. Dalida: Perhaps you're right. Another conversation. Imad and Faris: What do you think of the plan to build a power station outside the town? Faris: In my opinion, it's a good idea. It's a good thing. It will give us more electricity and jobs too. Cleve Hill. Cleve Hill Solar Farm. This report is about plans to build the largest solar farm in the UK. The initiative, called Cleve Hill, plans to produce enough energy for 91,000 homes across the region and should be open in 2023. The UK plans to use renewable energy instead of fossil fuels by 2050, and Cleve Hill will help with this. The solar farm will have 88,000 solar panels on countryside that was farmland, around 2 kilometers from the village of Graviny. In the past, solar panels or solar farms were not very good in the UK because it is not very sunny. However, new large batteries in the solar farm can save and produce electricity even when the sun is not shining. which are helping to protect the environment. There are projects to build solar farms to create green energy. There are projects to plant seedlings and trees to give us cleaner air. At home, people are choosing to use rechargeable batteries and energy-saving light bulbs. Some people are buying more products made of bamboo, which is sustainable and doesn't cause pollution. Some people are even using air conditioning less often because it uses so much energy. What can you do to help protect the environment? This is why Egypt is using the sun to produce energy. Bimban Solar Park is the largest solar farm in Africa and one of the biggest in the world. Bimban opened in 2019 and it covers almost 38 square kilometers. It has got thousands of solar panels. It produces enough energy every year for hundreds of thousands of homes and businesses. Did you know that if you went into space, you would be able to see Bimban Solar Park? Another type of renewable energy is wind energy. There are wind farms in Egypt, like this one in Hurghada. Egypt uses a lot of renewable energy, and the government wants people to use more. They want 20% of all energy to come from renewable sources. If we all used more renewable energy, it would help us to save the planet. Instead of يحل المشكلة, solve the problem. بحلول عام 2050 by 2050. يقارن ب compare something with. يدعى أو يسمى be called لقضاء الإجازة for a holiday. يشيد أو ينشئ set up للعالم بأكمله for the whole world. يكتب بالتفصيل write up مشاكل لي problems for. في رأيي أو من وجهة نظري in my opinion. يفكر في think about or think of. جنوب south of. تجلب المال لي produce money for. يوضح أو يعرض على الخريطة show on a map. Thank you.